Any disturbance from my side?
No.
Yeah, that's
So today I'm going to explain. So what is CRM? So why we need CRM? So the full form of CRM is customer relationship management. As the name says, customer relationship. Suppose as a company or as a business, if I want to maintain a relationship with customer, whether
sorry,
it
you have shared the screen?
okay, let me share. Thank you for let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Oh, it's visible.
Yeah, thanks for reminding. So CRM, so as I said, is the customer relationship management. So any company, any business, if they want to maintain a relationship with customer, if I talk about bank, so bank have to maintain a relationship with customer in such a way that whenever the customer need any information from the bank, they have to provide it. Suppose if I am some e-commerce platform. Suppose I want to know what all the history of my purchases in that particular um, e-commerce platform. So in that situation, I want to know. So the tool which will help the customer and the businesses together to maintain a relationship without any problem. We call that kind of tools as customer relationship management tools, CRM. As the name says, CRM is a set of integrated data driven software solutions. So, integrated data driven software solutions that help manage, track, and store information related to your company's current and potential customers. So, suppose as a business, I want to save some data of the customer. As a bank, I want to save the data of the customer's account number, PAN card details, Aadhaar card number, and how much amount they have in their account, and what are the last 10 transactions. So, all these things I have to store somewhere, or else I cannot show them. If they ask me, I cannot show them if I don't have the data. So, the main thing of any business is so the business have to store the data whenever needed. It should give access to customer for that particular data. So for such kind of problems, we are going to use CRM. So every bank or every business, suppose for example you go to bank, any bank, so they will ask you your account number. So once they enter your account number, they will get every detail of you from permanent address to residential address, Aadhaar card, PAN card, last 10 transaction, last 1 year transaction, which loan you have, which credit card you have, everything. So all these things comes under data. So to provide this data, we need a key. That key is your account number. So if you are logging into Flipkart, so you want to, so suppose you don't know, you have ordered something and that is not delivered, or you have some mistake in that order. So what you will do? Directly you will log into your app, and what you will do, you will click on that you have some damage order or whatever it may be, and you will give the rating. But when you log in with your phone number, you will see all your data. How you see all those data? By the client or from the e-commerce platform. How they are maintaining the data? So they have to store the data somewhere, or else they cannot give you the data. Let's say this is the customer, right? And this is company side person, whoever it may be, whether it may be customer executive officer, or it may be customer care support, customer care, or bank employee, or tour guide, or airline employee, anything. It may be anything. So depend upon the business. So if you are a e-commerce platform, or if you have a telecommunication platform, they will be having customer care. If you are having a bank, then bank employee will be there. If you are connecting to some airlines, so airline employee will be there in the back end. So what you will do, So here they will be having a tool. This particular tool is CRM. This particular tool is CRM. Nothing but customer relationship management. So they will be having a tool. And now what you will do, suppose let's say you have a bank passbook. You will go to bank offline, right? So what you will do, you will go to bank and he is a bank employee. You will say that, so this is my, I want to know my current balance. I want to know my credit card balance. I want to know something about my bank. So what they will do, so inside every bank employee there will be a computer, right? Or it may be laptop, computer, tablet, mobile, anything. So they can use the CRM tools in any of these mediums, right? So what they will do, they will ask you some information. What information they will ask? Your account number. Say they will ask you your account number. Then they will click on submit. So you will give some account number like something like this. So this is my account number. I want to know the balance. So once they enter this account number and once they click on this submit, there will be several authentications for this. They may have a fingerprint authentication or some password populating. So please enter your password to fetch these details, something like that. So forget about it. So once they enter this, they will get all the information about your bank, every information from your name to address, name, address, then your Aadhaar card, Aadhaar card, PAN card. Then so this is personal information. Let us say. Then they will see your bank information, account balance, personal loan balance, credit card. They may have several buttons like send email statement, download statement, something like this. So they will be having a tool where they can enter your information and fetch your other information. So this kind of tools is CRM applications. This kind of tools are CRM applications. Let's say the same way, let's say I have to, um, I will say I have to check with any other thing. Like for example, airlines. You have booked your ticket, but you don't know, you didn't receive anything, any information about your airline tickets. What you will do? So you will call that particular number, the customer care number. So once you call the number, so there will be one customer care number. So you will call that number. As a customer, you will call that number, and then this particular number will connect to customer care agent. Then that customer care agent will ask you some questions, saying that, sir, can I get your PNR? Sir, can I get your mobile number? Or can I get your email ID? Whatever it may be. So they will ask some information from you. The same way, the bank employee will also then ask you, what is your account number? Or give me your passbook. So he will go to particular bank employee and he will ask some questions. Based on some that questions, he will get the data of this particular customer. The same way, the airline employee, he will ask you the PNR number and he will enter that particular PNR number here, and then he will get the information. So from where to where you book the ticket and mode of payment and what is your arrival time, departure time, and what are your personal details. So is any government ID authenticated with this particular order? Everything you will see. Then you will ask a question, is my ticket booked? So once he enter your PNR number, he will click on submit and he will do some authentication. If there is some authentication, he will get the data. And he will say, yes sir, your ticket is booked. Sorry for the inconvenience. I will share you the ticket to your mobile number. Do you have WhatsApp number or can I send you email or anything, right? Or can I send you text message? So he will be having different options here. So once he see the status, he will just send that customer service and he will ask you for a rating. So it's a process. In a same way, in so suppose earlier days also, I mean, so if we are not getting any connections, we used to call Geo or Airtel or some customer case, and you will ask, I have recharged my mobile, I have not received the recharge. So what is the reason for it? So you are calling some random customer care manager, and that particular customer care agent knows everything about it, right? He's not a saint. So he should have some information in front of his desktop or laptop or mobile to tell you what is the status. So that particular application, what he is using, is called CRM, Customer Relationship Management. So in a simple words, any business, whether it may be any business, if they want to maintain a healthy relationship with the customer, they will be using a tool. That particular tool is CRM. So as every time I take the bank example because everyone know the process of the bank. So in the bank, if you go and if you give the account number, they will open one application. It may be website, it may be their internal board application. You don't know about it, but that particular CRM, that particular application, what they will open when you ask some information. So that is called CRM. When it comes to Salesforce, Salesforce is also a CRM, customer relationship management tool, which help businesses, which help businesses to maintain a relationship. What is Salesforce as a CRM? Salesforce is a popular CRM tool for support, sales, and marketing. See, so until now, I told you the example. These examples are come under support, customer support. Right? Yes. So bank employees, what they are doing, they are supporting their customers to do the transaction in their bank. Airline customers are supporting the customers to travel in their airlines. Flipkart, Amazon customers, they will be using the CRM to support you to purchase some goods from their websites. Similarly, when it comes to sales, so so suppose let us say you will getting number of cards for credit cards, right? So do you think every day their manager will write down the numbers and give it to them? No, it won't work like that. So every day they will get some automated emails with some PDF attached. And they will call, they will ask you, and they will store the records. How do they store? You can call from the CRMs also. Right. Yes, I will
So,
tell you how to create these orgs, how to use these orgs, everything.
hello, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, is CRM tool which is like database, sir, or not?
You are not audible. Can you speak louder?
A CRM tool, it is like a database, sir, or not?
Yes, yes. So
So, we
how
share
it
our
works?
data.
Hmm.
Uh,
See how it works is, suppose let us say this is the CRM tool. This particular CRM tool. So now our work as a Salesforce developer and administrator is to configure this CRM tool for different businesses. Because if you see here, there are two business use cases here. One is bank and one is airlines. Both the employees won't be having the same screen. right? So in bank you will be
Right.
having different fields. In airlines you will be having different screens. In e-commerce you will be having different screens. In a petroleum business you will be having different screens, right? So for each and every customer's requirement will be different. So we have to, as a developers, we have to configure this particular CRM. So what happens? See, this is a CRM tool for SBI. Let us say SBI is using this CRM. We are going to develop an application for SBI and we are going to give it to SBI. Now, SBI will give you all the data of their customers because they own the data. Because whenever we create an account in SBI, we have signed that you own my data, right? So they will be owning your data. And then so they will be having a set of applications like how we have the mobile applications. So similarly they can have set of applications in their app, and they can have reports and dashboards. Let's say the current in last 1 year, I have sold this much of credit cards. Our company have given this much of loan. Our company have given this much of mutual funds. So everything they can access in a single application. They don't need to call anyone and please prepare the report on how much credit cards you have sold. No, it's a waste of time. If you have a CRM, you will directly get the reports, and that reports you will configure. And you will not configure each and every report. You will write a formula. Formula means, so you will, let's assume, as of now, let's see, you will write a formula, and for each and every use case, they will select I want this report. You will give one pick list with multiple options, and whichever they select, they will get a report. So CRM will be having data. CRM will be having integrations with other platforms like WhatsApp. See, nowadays, if you see, every business is doing via WhatsApp. You will receive a WhatsApp message when you sign up to any app, right? So that integrations we can do from Salesforce, WhatsApp, maybe any Telegram, Facebook, anything, any social media you can link, and also some of the social medias, some of the not social media, some of the applications. So, for example, DocuSign, right? So, what is the use of DocuSign? So now you don't need to have every document as a hard copy. So you will just sign up to DocuSign and you will just download it and you will just show it to everyone. Suppose let us say tomorrow SPay introduce the same thing. So you don't need to bring your Aadhaar card hard copy to bank. So when you come, so we just need your fingerprint and OTP. So we'll get your documents from somewhere, from somewhere. Right? So how do they get it? They will get it from the integration of this particular Salesforce CRM to DocuSign. Let's say this is DocuSign. So there will be a communication between DocuSign and your CRM. Two-way communication, something like that. You will request the data and you will get the data. Before you requesting the data, you have to enter some things and you will get the data for it. So say CRM will include data, reports, dashboards, integrations, and you can call from the CRM. You can manage your customers from the CRM. See, in every company will be having the portals like HR portal or customer care portal. So that is a CRM. As a company, as a company, so you need an application to maintain some people, some group of people. So to maintain that group of people, you need an application where you don't need to do the offline efforts every time. So every time you don't need to. So suppose I have issue in my computer, so I will write down something here, and those people will come back and every status update. So I have to go there. What is the status? What is the status? You cannot ask. You can ask, but that is time consuming. That is not a smart way of doing business. I mean, that is not business. I'm just giving you the example. Right? So suppose you have raised a query to Flipkart of your order cancellation. So do you think every time you will call that customer care number and ask what is the status of my order? No. Once the status is updated, you will automatically receive an email or WhatsApp message saying that your order is dispatched, your order is in this particular hub, your order going to dispatch tomorrow. So all these updates we will send from the CRM by using the integration. By using this particular integrations, we are going to send updates to the customers. Who are the customers? Every business nowadays, every business they must and should have the CRM, right? So without CRM, how can you manage in this digital? So you will be getting number of inquiries. For example, you launched a new, yeah, that's what. The next part is marketing. You understood about support, how the customer support will do by using CRM, how the sales, they will sell the product using CRM and marketing. Suppose you have launched, suppose iPhone launched a new phone or some new brand came up to the market and they have launched a new product. They will say for more enquiries or for more get this particular product, they will give some a TV advertisement. Suppose let us say how marketing will work. Either they have to give the advertisement. So where they will give the advertisement, they can give the advertisement in social media. They can give the advertisement in TV. They can put some banners, right? So in that banners, if you see interested, or if you are interested, call this number. If you are interested, mail to us. If you are interested, something they will say. So now people will call to that number. Automatically, that particular call, it won't go to any landline number in that company. It will directly go to CRM. Within the CRM, they will receive a call. They will pick up the call. So once they pick up the call, automatically your basic informations like your mobile number. So what they will ask when you call in such a, have you tried to call to that kind of situation? Have you been in that situation any time? If you call to that number, what they will do, sir, can I get your good name, please? Sir, can is this number? Can I save this number as a WhatsApp number also? Sir, can I have your email? Can I have your some details? And then they will start, sir. Yes, this is our call. So behind the scenes, they are going to capture your data into CRM. Do you think when they are asking your information, they don't write it down in the notebook? They don't write it down in the Excel because Excel is a traditional way. It's almost gone. So now no one will save the important and confidential data in Excel because there is a high chance of losing the data. But if you save in Salesforce or any CRM, this kind of CRMs, okay, you will save, you will just log out and you will go. Tomorrow again you will come back. You will just log in. It's like how your simple social media applications like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, anything. You will be having your data there only. Tomorrow again you will come back in your mobile phones. You don't log in daily, but in real time in businesses, so they have to log in daily because in Salesforce there are some things like for security reasons, if you leave your applications for 10 minutes, you can automatically log out. So these kind of features are there. See those things later. So but what they will do, they will just log in and they will see, okay, so yesterday I have this person called me, okay, today I have to create a opportunity for him. Like I have to give some offer. So I will whatever the work he is having with that, he will do that work. Again, once he is done, after 5 o'clock, he will just log out and he will go to. Again, someone calls him. Just please close that. Just receive that call and just send them offer letter or some offers. Or just initiate some WhatsApp message to them. What they will do? So he is not having the laptop, office laptop. Can use his office provided mobile also to access this CRMs. To access this CRM, to access this customer data, he just need a internet connection and this kind of browsers which will support um, this logins. In the same way, so I told you, right? Login.salesforce.com. You just open his Google Chrome and just log in, and he will enter his credentials. So, so so there are multiple apps. So this product. This is the CRM, and this is how it looks. Comes to service. This is a service page. Contacts. I will tell you in brief. I will tell you each and everything in brief. But as of now, I am just try to just making to understand what is CRM. If you understand 10% also, that is fine. See, this is one case. Who raised it? Rose raised it. What is the case? What is the problem of Rose? So Rose is saying starting generator after electric failure. So he is not able to start the generator after electric failure. Suppose let us say I am a customer support guy. I have a login for this CRM. I just logged in. I have all the details of the customer. See, I have every detail, phone number, contact name, which company he is working, right? And his particular, what is the priority of this case? Is the reason of this case? When it opened, when it closed, which product? The same way, if you go to Samsung mobile service center, they will be having similar products. Samsung or iPhone 13, iPhone 15, iPhone 16. What is the subject? So now I have to tell him that sorry for the inconvenience. So see, you can see here call logs. If you make a call, all your logs will, all your recordings, all your calls will what is here, right? I will open some cases which are open cases. This now I will click on his email. Once I click on this email, automatically I can send the email here. I don't need to go to Gmail. Send case closed. I said your case is closed. These status. Every time I don't need to type also. I can add the templates. If I have a templates, I can directly add those templates here. Something like this. Once I click on it, it will insert automatically. I will just click on send. My work is done. I have to send an email. I can send an email in 5 seconds. This is not the case. I have to open the Gmail. I have to enter CC subject, everything. Like take a time. The main reason of CRMs is it will boost the productivity of the employees to next level. Right? I want to see the reports. Suppose I want to see the report. I can see report something like this. Reports, folders. In future, I will tell you this. As of now, I don't think in this or we don't have such kind of data. In the same way, for example, if I say as a bank, so accounts, each and every account will be here. So my current branch is from Bangalore. Let us say my branch is Bangalore. I can see only the accounts which are there in Bangalore. Someone will log into the same CRM and he's from Bangalore branch. He can see only Bangalore accounts. Delhi Delhi employee can see only Delhi accounts. I will tell you how this data. So we have a so data is very important in Salesforce. I will explain you everything. So like how we'll deal with data. If you come to I told you right, there are two things. One is administrator, one is developer. So in administrator we are going to cover how to configure this CRM, how to configure this Salesforce as per the usage. So in this particular course, I will tell you how to create your own application like this. See, this is a registration form which is completely created from us. So this is, if you can see open section C, it automatically open. So these kind of automations. So you may in future you may have one button to send an email. If you click on that email, that button automatically one window will populate. If you want to add tasks, details, all these things, you can do it from yourself. Future I will explain you all these things because we come under development. I tell you how also you understand. So in admin, we are going to configure the CRM and then we'll see what is sales, marketing, service, how people are using CRM. First, we are going to understand what is this particular CRM and how we are using this. What is the use of this for marketing? If I click on marketing, in marketing, so we can see opportunities, right? So if it comes to support, service, I can see cases. We don't see this in marketing. We'll see cases only in support. See, within a single application, in a single roof, you can manage everything. You can manage your sales, you can manage your service, you can manage your marketing, everything you can manage. That is the power of Salesforce CRM. That is the reason they are being number one, right? So if you want to see anything, you can scroll here, see. So in coming days, once you get used to it, once you create your own apps, everyone. So I will explain how to create these apps. So once you create these apps, once you start going through this, you will understand what is this navigation. So what is this button? What is this button? What is this button? I will explain you each and every button. What is this used for? What is this? What is this setup? What is the service setup? What is this bell icon? What is this dog icon? What are these? Right? So if you open this, this is your username, like how you have in your social media accounts, your profile, and these are like other tabs in your social media, like posts, reels, right? Followers, something like this, similar to that. So before social media, Salesforce is the first company who have launched the web applications. Based on that applications only, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everything came into picture. So Salesforce is father of all those social media. So Salesforce is the first application who has introduced web applications. So based on this platform only, we are using all the social media nowadays. Right? I will explain you. Even though with or without knowing, we are using so many applications. So I will, when I come to that part, you understand those things. So this is the overview of CRM. So the basic intention of CRM is it's a bridge between customer and any business. It's a bridge between customer and any business. If imagine if there is no CRM, there is no CRM, how will this particular employee get the details of you? If this person will be having the data, so he will give his data. But how will this person will get the information of this particular customer? You don't have CRM. So to solve this problem, CRM comes into picture. So by using this particular tool, now they are doing the business in a seamless way. In 5 minutes, he is solving his problem. If you don't have CRM, In 5 minutes, you cannot solve this problem, right? There is a big blockage between these two persons. That case. So this is how CRM people, many businesses using this CRMs to solve the businesses. So basically, Salesforce CRM is like it's almost B2B. B2B means business to business. So which we so for example, Indian government and any other organization, right? So it is created for that reason. But nowadays, every other companies have started using CRMs because without CRMs, we cannot imagine a business in this digital kind of world. So, and this CRMs, they will give you unlimited storage and data. You will never lose any of your data. So if you save this data, for example, as of now, I have some data here. After 10 years, you will come back and you will see this data. After 20 years, you will come back and you will see this data. So it's a this particular concept we call it as cloud computing. Cloud computing. I'll explain it. All those things. So as of now, if I think for CRM understanding, this is enough. So do you have any doubts in this, or you are not understanding what I'm saying? So anything is fine because I'm going to explain you each and everything. Even if you understand 10% of what I'm saying, then it's a good progress.
Also,
Yes, tell me.
CRM is like
Your voice is bit
user-friendly
low
control.
actually. Your voice is bit
Hello,
low actually.
now okay, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
CRM tool is like user-friendly tool for customer and businesses
Correct, correct,
to manage the data and integrate it to other applications,
correct.
other services, which is multiple purpose.
Mm, true.
Purpose. These all data saved in cloud computing only. Cloud.
Client data, I mean customer data.
Is all data saved in cloud only?
Yes, yes. Every data, like how we are having Google Drive. So similar
Yeah,
to
yeah.
that, all your data will be stored in Salesforce servers. See,
Okay.
imagine. Uh, I don't. I mean, most of the banks they will be owning their own servers, right? So there is a lot of maintenance. They have to assign some budget to maintain the servers because they are owned servers, pre-owned servers. But in case of Salesforce, what happens here? So we can purchase like how we are purchasing the storage from the Google. So as if your storage is full in Google Drive, what you will do, you will pay some amount, get some extra data. In the same way, so if you want to store data in Salesforce, you will pay some amount and you will store your data, which is secure. Apart from your company, even the Salesforce cannot see the data. So that much of data security will be there. You also having some topics related to data securities in this course. So because data is very important. So this whatever the application we are using, this is okay. But data, the main focus is data. So that will be stored in Salesforce servers, and so we have different servers in Salesforce. So in North America and some kind of different places, we have different servers. As a homework, you can just Google it like where are where do we have Salesforce servers. Just do your research about it. So we'll get every information. The reason why I'm every time when I'm explaining I'm using Google and not using any offline notes is so I just want to make sure that you will get the resources every time, anytime on internet, right? So I just use the Google. I will just open CRM systems. CRM system help manage customer data. supports, sales, deliver actionable insights, everything. You can see this is how the report looks like this. Current quarter, closing this week, top deals, total amount that this month, how much amount. So you will see this in a single click. You don't need to waste time or empower someone. This so this kind of informations you will get with no CRM. This method make it all. You can go through these things like once you search for Salesforce CRM, you will get a link CRM systems and the greatest benefits of CRM. What are the greatest benefits of CRM? So, single view of a customer for cross-functional insight and reporting. In a single view, in this particular page, if I open your contact, see everything about you. Even if you have, if I, even if you have some Facebook account, LinkedIn account, I can have those data here as a URL. If I click on that, it will take me to another website. So that is what cross-functional insights. Dashboards, you can see the dashboard. Customer-centric automation. So suppose let us say if I close this case, suppose let us say I don't send any email to this customer. What I will do, I will just open this and I will just close this case. Status closed. I will just close this case. So automatically this particular customer you will get email. You are not sending it. This particular CRM tool is sending to saying that your case is closed. So please leave us a review. That you can customize whatever you can send, you can customize, but every time you don't need to check whether that email is sent or not, whether I have sent the email or not. It will automatically, system will take care of those kind of automations. So there are several automations in Salesforce, like it's a most automated tool. So we'll get to know in future all those things. See, automations and proactive service. So you don't need to wait for anyone here. Have the customer data and you have the problem here. You can just solve it in a click. Proactive, you don't need anyone's help. So this customer is there, I don't know what is the problem. You don't need to ask anyone. Have every detail here. Seeking guidance on electrical wiring installation for this product. I have PDF. I can just mail him. Like I will close this case. That's it. So we don't need to come to your office and those things. Nothing. There is no wasting of time. Right? Optimize processes. Simplified collaborations. You can, like I said, you can send without any Gmail or anything. You can send emails. So those are comes under collaborations, right? So such kind of benefits we have in CRM, customer relationship. Like whatever I said today, the examples what I have given, the same examples are explained. You can go and you can check, see cost savings. See, in sales, we can increase the revenue by 30% if we use CRM, or else you will be behind. Customer service in digital commerce. So this is the percentage of productivity increased by the employees with CRM. No wasting of time. See what does CRM system do? CRM lets you store customer and contact information, identify sales, find new customers in the business. Happy, right? Don't worry, I will explain you the aspects of this. So just understand for today, as of today, just understand is CRM. I think I answered your questions, right, Rakesh?
Yeah, and one more question is that for administration, do we have any coding?
For administrations, you don't have any coding. For
Okay.
development, you do have. In administration, it is like so whatever in-house you have.
Huh?
So for example, in your so for example, So I will tell you about your social media. If you open an Instagram account, so you can set your desired profile picture. So you don't need any coding knowledge for that. So you will just select something and you will upload it. So that is administrator. But if you select that picture, how it will go and upload it, that is development. So in this we have two aspects. So in administrator you don't have a single piece of coding. Whatever we have within the Salesforce tool, so you can just do it. Like I said, sending the email. So once the case is closed, I want to send an email to this particular customer. So you don't need coding to do that. We have some tools like email alerts. You just search for them, email alerts. You will just search for them and you will configure. So whatever you do with point to click, I mean, this is continue. I just click on this and it will go to next page. So this kind of things is called point to click. So whatever you have in point to click will come under admin. Whatever you have, like I said, like I shown you some pages, these things. Can you see these things? So these things need coding. These particular things need coding. So it depends on you. So if so most of the people, like I said you, so some people's only use whatever we have in Salesforce. Some people, some clients, they will ask, I need a new page, I don't want existing one. So in such cases only you need coding. Or else Salesforce is highly automated and highly developed. You can, without coding only, you can configure business, you can configure all this whatever. In admin, you won't be having a single piece of coding, but in development, you will be having the coding. Did that answer your question? No? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Audible. Hello.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Sir, in this course, LWC also included.
Oh, sorry.
LWC, Lightning Web Components.
Yes, LWC is something like this. So this is LWC components, lightning web components. So as of now, so I mean LW. So this one, this particular box, whatever you are seeing,
Yes.
this is the component. Which kind of component? Lightning web component. So as of this course, we don't have LWC, but as a part of bonus, I will tell you the basics of LWC this particular course at the end once we complete everything. If you see this, so these are LWCs.
Like front end parts.
Yes, LWC is a front end. So back end part is JavaScript. So if you click this button, what should happen? JavaScript will happen.
Like validations.
Yes, the same way, like these are front end, and if you click on calculate, so it will calculate something. So that is a back end. So these are LWCs only. Whatever you are seeing, so this is one component. This is one. Each box is one. Each box is one. So every time structure. Actions. Check all these things. That is all for today. Any questions apart from that? Like I said, LWC, I mean, no one will teach with this course, but as a bonus, so because every LWC is very popular right now, I will give you the overview. I will make you to create these kind of components so that you can utilize those knowledge for your future.
Hello. Sir, sir, is there any notes for this course?
Yeah, I will give you the receive something. So all these recordings I will upload. So your notes will be something like this. So each and every topic will get covered here. So if you see, this is development notes like operators. I will explain you each and every operator, how to use these operators. What are these things? Every notes will be like this. So you will be having the access. You can go on, you can just, refer to this, and you every recordings you will get something like this. Even from day one to day and 86, this is 86th class. You will get everything. You just open, see those things in it. And this is also, it's not public. Only if you have access, only you can see. Even if you share, no one can see. And something like that. You will get everything, notes and examples. So this is all coding. If you see, these are codings, coding notes, variables, constants, each and everything. It's like from scratch. Programming is from scratch. Everything. We cover each and everything. That's what we are teaching cloud computing, and you have to utilize cloud kind of things. So I don't have any offline notes and everything. Just log in and log out. That's why we'll give you assignments. I will tell you how to submit that assignments also. All the training. So I will give you assignments and I will tell you how to submit that. I will record the attendance every day. Something like this. Everything will be shared with you. Think apart from that.
Nothing.
How many days it will take to complete course?
Sorry.
How many days it will take to complete this course?
So basically, this course will get, because now we have LWC as a bonus also. It will take around 3 months. But after 1.5 month, so you can try for jobs, because by that time you'll be having some amount of knowledge in CRM.
Classes with the same time, sir.
As of now, it is same time. I used to take the classes in the morning. Uh, I will tell you. So because I need to, so based on the students, I will take a vote and then I will decide which time.
As of now,
As of now,
it,
we'll connect at this time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
okay, sir. Thank you.
That is all for today. So I will be having these recordings with me and I will share once. Do you? I think I shared a form. Did you receive the form?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
the survey one, right?
Submitted.
Yes, yes, the
Submitted.
survey.
Yeah,
Yes.
it was submitted.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, then that's all for today. So we'll discuss.
Yeah.
So as a
Bye, sir.
homework, just do some research from your end. What is
Okay.
Salesforce CRM? If you search for Salesforce CRM, you will win more deals with number one CRM. So you get this. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Tim. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll next class.
Thank you, sir.
Have a good
Thank
day.
you, sir.